So Sean, how many times have you done this? Like measured out a rail?
Countless.
A lot.
Sean Duncan is a standout pool technician whose skills and dedication set him apart in the industry. From a young age, Sean showed a passion for understanding how swimming pools operate. His curiosity began early when he built a functioning model out of a pool for his 4th grade science project, and it only grew as he spent time hands-on, learning the technical aspects of equipment. What makes Sean unique is his depth of knowledge in a range of areas, from service and water chemistry to complex tasks like a new pool plumbing, heater repair, and commercial motor installations. He has developed an expert level of competency at just 24 years old. Sean has spent time learning from some of the industry's top experts, including Bob Lowry and Don Aston, and continues to engage with seasoned professionals. Sean's determination, work ethic, and desire to constantly improve are what make him highly successful in the field. He's a pool technician who not only masters the technical side, but also takes the time to mentor others, sharing his expertise and helping develop new talent within the trades. For these reasons, Sean Duncan is a strong candidate for the Pentair Pool Pro Award. His commitment to excellence and innovation, paired with his passion for the industry, makes him truly deserving of this recognition.